Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction and a good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.